What's up, guys? It's Silver Seeker, and today I wanted to talk to you about something that is kind of important, and I just wanted to share it with you because, as we know, and you can even see the chart on the screen, guys, silver has been doing nothing but dropping. While the stock market price or the paper price of silver has been dropping, the physical demand for silver is sky high. In fact, it's becoming very, very hard to find in coin shops, even in when online dealers like APMEX and SD Bullion in them. It's just becoming really, really hard to find. And so a lot of people are out there doing their best to try and find any silver they can and find it at the best price possible. Because when you do find silver, as you know, the premiums have been very, very high. I've seen even 1 ounce silver buffalo rounds go as high as $4 or sometimes $5 over spot. And that's for stuff that's still even, taking 14 or more days to even be delivered. So the premium is going very high, even though the spot price has been coming down quite a bit. And again, people are out there looking for any deal they can, and they're going to places like eBay. And what this video is about some of the things that you can get deceived on eBay. So we're going to take a look at a few things that you should keep your eyes open for, and we're going to talk about something that actually happened to a subscriber who sent me an email this morning, and fortunately I was able to correct him, and he was able to get with PayPal and hopefully get this taken care of before it gets too late. Okay, so what we're going to be talking about today is something that he literally this morning got scammed on, if you will. That's what I'm going to call it, with a purchase, I believe, on eBay, but he didn't tell me exactly where. I assume, based on the email he sent me and a screenshot of his purchase, that it was an eBay purchase. So actually, he said I could share this with you. Obviously, I cut it to where none of the personal info was showing, but let's take a look at this. So as you can see, my friend bought something called Germany Silver Bar, 1 troy ounce. He was very excited because he got it below spot. Silver at the time was around $12.30 when he purchased this, so getting it under spot, pretty darn exciting given that the premiums are so high right now. So it says Germany Silver Bar, 1 troy ounce, $11.99 or $119.90. There was free shipping on it. So even with free shipping, he got an incredible deal. And, the seller on eBay is paying, 6 to 10%, whether or not he has an eBay store on something like this. So, he's taking a loss and my buyer is getting a good deal. Well, that's what it looks like on paper to the novice collector or the novice stacker, but that's not actually the case. So guys, what he actually bought here, if you look at it, it says Germany Silver Bar. Now the title of this product is deceptively titled. It says Germany Silver Bar, which to a novice silver stacker would make you think that, okay, maybe this is silver from Germany. No big deal. Silver is silver, doesn't matter where it comes from. So Germany or not, Germany Silver Bar, let's go. It's cheap, it's good silver, let's go. Germany Silver Bar is probably, and after doing some research myself, I mean, I knew what German silver was, but when I say research, I went on eBay and actually started looking at some of these listings, that are confusing people and getting people to spend money they wouldn't normally spend on junk. German silver or nickel silver is basically just a combination of nickel, zinc, and copper. It's like 60% copper, 20% nickel, 20% zinc. That's all it is. There's no silver in it whatsoever. There's no precious metal content whatsoever. It's just an ounce of German silver. There's no silver in it. There's maybe 50 cents worth of metal in a whole 1 ounce bar, maybe. So again, this is where it becomes very easy to get confused and deceived if you don't actually know what German silver is at all. You, again, may just think it's silver from Germany. So let's go ahead and get this off the screen, and I'm going to go ahead and search, and I have actually already searched, as you can tell. I'm just going to do a quick search for German Silver Bar and see what we find. So looking at the results, the top one is, there's nothing wrong with that. It's coming from a top-rated silver. It says 1 ounce silver in caps, hand-poured 9999 Imperial German Eagle Iron Cross. That's cool. I mean, a little expensive at $29.95, but for hand-poured silver with, hand punch stuff like that, there's people that collect it. Kind of cool. You have a 50-gram silver bar, hand-poured German silver. These aren't the problem. What is the problem is things like these. So this one right here, it's sponsored. It's $4.95. Buy it now. 94 of them have been sold. I wonder how many of those have been sold lately. As you can see, it comes from China. So we're going to take a look. This one right here is not super deceptive if you know what you're looking at. It says Bullfine German 99 mint 1 troy ounce Buffalo European metal silver bar coated. It actually It says silver coated, so that's cool. It's not really trying to be very deceptive. Also, the price. I mean, anyone that knows that something that's too good is probably untrue, or too good to be true, if you will. They're going to look at that and be like, all right. But let's scroll down and take a look at something. I actually saw something on here earlier I want to share with you, and it's not very far down. It starts becoming very deceptive as you get a little bit far down the tree here. It's actually this one right here. And there's more of them, but I'm going to show you this one. So this is a 1 troy ounce buffalo. And if you notice, he puts buffalo in quotes, but not the word silver. A 1 troy ounce buffalo German silver bullion bar. $7.50 already with 4 bids, $4.75 shipping. So already this thing is just over spot if it were silver by the time you pay shipping. Let's open it up and see what we got, though. And by the way, it has 2 days and 16 hours left, so there's a chance this is going to go higher if more people that don't know what they're buying bid on this thing. So what we have is a 1 troy ounce, again, buffalo German silver bullion bar. The condition, it doesn't list. 2 days and 16 hours remaining, $7.50 with 4 bids. The seller is David Harris 542, got a 92.9% feedback. So obviously he's had some trouble in the past, maybe a couple of bad feedbacks. But if we scroll down, what we're actually going to look for before we scroll all the way down is we're going to look in the description and see if in the description he lists anything at all that makes, that at least tells you that even if you're a novice stacker, that may just kind of trigger in your head, like, wait a second, maybe this isn't actually silver. From Germany, but it's just not silver at all. So let's take a look. All right, guys, so we're looking at the item specifics. It says shape bar. Now, if you notice something, it has item specifics twice here. So this one right here is the official eBay item specifics. You can see it's in a box right there. Right below it is very deceptive because it says item specifics again, except for there's no I. So they failed there. But it looks like it's another eBay item specific tab. So why would it be there twice? Shape bar, modified item, it says no. Metal type, German silver. None of that's a lie. Certification uncertified. Here's the problem. Look at this one. Precious metal content per unit, 1 ounce. Precious metal content. There's no precious metal content in German silver. Again, copper, zinc, and nickel. That is it. In fact, it's called nickel silver as well as German silver. Both of them mean the same thing. So this right here is a 100% falsification that, honestly, if you want to report this eBay item number is 274-306-565-966. Have at it. I would report it. In fact, I'm going to after this video by clicking this report item button right there. Let's read the description and see if it says anything that may lead you to believe that this isn't actually real silver. So it says 1 troy ounce German silver buffalo bullion bar enclosed in a hard plastic case. This buffalo bar has great detail, a great addition to your collection or just starting one. German silver. So again, he does say it's German silver. He's not lying about that. Really, so far, the only thing here that's a lie is this. Nothing else has been a lie. It's just been worded very deceptively so that someone doesn't know what German silver is may buy it thinking it's silver and getting a good deal. It says all order will be shipped, all order, no S. Okay, anyway, all order will be shipped promptly and with tracking numbers. All order are guaranteed. Again, coming from China, this is probably just, copy and paste from Google Translate. But either way, everything here is deceptively worded. Nothing's actually a lie except for this. But if you're a novice stacker and you don't know what you're doing, you don't know what German silver is, this one right here could get you, and I think it probably has. Again, we have 4 people bidding on this, already up to $750 with 2 days left. As you know, most eBay bids happen in the last, 30 minutes or less. So, in fact, I think the last 5 minutes or less is really the big time. But either way, most of the eBay bids happen like near the end. So, again, it's already at $750 with 4 bidders. That's really unfortunate. We're definitely not going to be bidding on this one. Let's go ahead and take a look, guys, because we can actually look. It actually gives you sponsored or recommended items, and we'll see if there's anything else here that is deceptive. So here's one right here, and this kind of looks a lot like his. So if you look at this, it says Germany silver bar right there on his invoice. If you look at this one and this one, both of them say bullion bar Germany fine silver 999. I don't know if you can consider German silver fine silver or not, but either way, it says bullion Germany fine silver 999 mint 1 troy ounce buffalo. So if we click on either of these, let's click on the $11.99 one because this one looks more realistic since it is closer to spot. So let's open this up. Closer to silver spot, I should say, okay? All right, so it says bullion bar Germany fine silver. So right there, again, guys, there is the deception Germany fine silver. It's making it sound like it's coming from Germany. It says 999 mint 1 troy ounce Buffalo European coins. If you don't go down to the description, you're really going to be hurt if you don't know what you're doing here. But let's go down and see what it says. Also, something I didn't mention in the last one, but I should show you. This is listed under coins and paper money. Oops. Coins and paper money, bullion, silver, bars, and rounds. So this is actually in the silver category, even though it's not silver, it's German silver. And again, German silver is not silver. It's not silver at all. It only gets its name German silver or nickel silver because it looks like silver. It does look like silver. It really does. You polish up German silver, oh boy, it looks like silver. All right. Let's scroll down to the description on this one and see what we can find. So it's a bar manufactured in Germany, fineness 999, year 1960, and then brand mint Virile Starlight. All right, well, this is an actual eBay item specific tab, so this specifics tab, so this we know is good. Material, so material, metal, okay. Style modern, technique plated. All right, it says plated, so that's good hint. Europe 60 to 79, theme patriotism, Buffalo. All right, material, silver plated. Good. So if you read far enough now, you're going to see that it says silver plated. If you don't read far down, you could be deceived very, very easily. It talks about that it came from Germany. I don't know if these are actually minted in Germany or not, actually. That may not be true. Let's see. It doesn't specifically call out that this is not actual silver. It does, however, say silver plated. So as long as you... even if you're a novice stacker, as long as you are paying attention to everything in the description, you could at least, be triggered like, okay, silver plated, okay, maybe this isn't real, and then you move on. Plus it's still a really too good of a deal to be true, given that there's free shipping, $11.99, which is right at spot. 2 for $11.75. You buy 3, you get them for $11.60 each. That's below spot. So 4 or more, $11.51. They're pricing these right near the price of silver, so that people that don't scroll down and read the description may get confused. But again, bullion bar, Germany, fine silver, 99 mint, 1 troy ounce Buffalo European coins. Looks like silver, has the word silver in it. He says 999 fine. It can be very, very deceptive. All right, guys. So last thing, again, we're going to look at his invoice. Again, same thing. It says description, Germany silver bar, 1 troy ounce, $11.99 each. I mean, that's exactly what this one that we have on the screen here shows. In fact, if you look, $11.99 each. So, yeah, I mean, that's quite literally what happened, unfortunately. Now, he did say that he sent an email to PayPal. He's opening up a grievance for this one because it's deceptively worded, and chances are he will get his money back. But I just wanted to save you the hassle. So now make sure when you're on eBay, you're looking for that cheap silver, that you be careful. If you want my guidance for buying silver on eBay, only buy from top-rated sellers that have thousands of feedback, or at least hundreds, and all of it needs to be recent. All of it needs to be recent. I can't stress that enough, because there are hacked eBay accounts that have, hundreds of positive feedback but haven't been used in years, and someone will hack it and then they'll try and sell something on it. They'll take the money and run before anyone knows what's going on. And of course, you'll never get nothing. And then hopefully eBay and PayPal take care of you. Maybe they won't. I don't know. But either way, just make sure they have positive feedback that's recent, all in the same category, and they have a lot of it. I would say hundreds, if not thousands, to get you started. So anyway, guys, that's all I have for you in this video today. I do hope you learned a little bit something, and I do hope you liked the video. And if you did, do me a favor, make sure you subscribe, guys, because it really does help me out. And I hope to see you in the very next video. Thank you so much for watching. What's up, guys? Thank you so much for watching the video. I do hope that you enjoyed it. Above me, you can click and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Up here, you can check out some of my other videos. And then over here, guys, there's a huge shout out to all of my silver, gold, and platinum channel members. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next one.